Welcome to Landscaping 101. Let's begin by understanding what landscaping really is. It's about transforming your outdoor space into something beautiful, functional, and enjoyable. From vibrant flower beds to lush lawns, landscaping enhances the aesthetic appeal of your property. But it's not just about looks. Landscaping can increase your home's value, create inviting spaces for relaxation, and even improve the local ecosystem. Before you start digging, it's crucial to have a plan. Begin by carefully assessing your space. Measure the dimensions, identify sunny and shady areas, and consider any existing features like trees or fences. Next, think about your climate. Choose plants that thrive in your region's temperature and rainfall patterns. Researching your options is key. Look for plants that suit your needs, such as low-maintenance options or colorful flowering varieties. To get you started, we'll show you some simple landscape design examples that you can adapt to your own space. Now that you have your plan, let's gather the essential tools for landscaping. A shovel is your workhorse, perfect for digging, moving soil, and planting. A rake is essential for smoothing out soil, gathering leaves, and clearing debris. A trowel is handy for smaller tasks like planting flowers and bulbs, while pruning shears are a must-have for shaping shrubs and trees. These basic tools will make your landscaping projects easier and more efficient. We'll show you how to use each tool effectively, ensuring you have everything you need to succeed. Now it's time to get our hands dirty and start planting. Choosing the right plants is essential. Consider the size and shape of the plant, its sunlight needs, and how it will fit into your design. Before planting, prepare the soil by loosening it up and adding compost or other amendments to improve drainage and fertility. The correct planting technique is crucial for the plant's success. We'll demonstrate how to plant a tree or shrub, ensuring the roots are spread out and the soil is firm around the base. With the right techniques, your plants will have the best chance to thrive. Just because you've planted doesn't mean the work is over. Maintaining your landscape is key to its success. Regular watering is crucial, especially during dry spells. We'll show you how to check soil moisture and water deeply to encourage healthy root growth. Weeding is an ongoing task, but it's essential for preventing unwanted plants from competing with your desired species. Finally, fertilization provides the nutrients your plants need to thrive. We'll demonstrate how to apply fertilizer safely and effectively, giving your landscape the boost it needs to flourish.